In the first episode, we explored the basics of hormones and how they play a crucial role in keeping our bodies balanced. We touched on the importance of hormones like insulin, cortisol, and estrogen. If you missed it, make sure to check out that episode for a better understanding. Today, we're focusing on 4 major hormones. These powerhouses control everything from your stress levels and blood sugar to metabolism and reproductive health. Let's dive right in. Meet the Big Four, the hormones that control the majority of your body's essential functions. They are cortisol, insulin, thyroid hormones, and sex hormones. Together, they're the command center of your physical and emotional health. Cortisol is a steroid hormone produced by your 2 adrenal glands, which sit on top of each kidney. When you're stressed, cortisol levels increase, releasing more of it into your bloodstream. It plays a critical role in maintaining your health, and having the right balance of cortisol is essential. Too much or too little cortisol can lead to health issues. Cortisol has several important functions. It helps your body respond to stress or danger, increases your body's metabolism of glucose, controls your blood pressure, and reduces inflammation. It's also a key player in the fight or flight response, your body's natural reaction to perceived threats. Your body regulates the amount of cortisol produced to ensure the balance is just right. So, what triggers cortisol production? It's controlled by your pituitary gland, a pea-sized gland at the base of your brain, often called the master gland. When you wake up, exercise, or face stress, the pituitary gland sends a signal to the adrenal glands to produce the right amount of cortisol. But what happens when there's too much or too little cortisol? Normally, your body produces the right amount, but if you have conditions like Cushing's syndrome, your body might produce too much cortisol. This can lead to symptoms like weight gain, especially around your abdomen and face, fragile skin, acne, and in women, facial hair or irregular menstrual periods. On the other hand, conditions like Addison's disease can result in too little cortisol, causing symptoms like continual tiredness, nausea, vomiting, weight loss, muscle weakness, and abdominal pain. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas, a small organ located behind your stomach. Its main job is to regulate your blood sugar levels by helping your body use or store glucose, which is the sugar from the food you eat. When you consume carbohydrates, your digestive system breaks them down into glucose, which then enters your bloodstream. When your blood sugar levels rise after eating, your pancreas releases insulin into the bloodstream. Insulin acts like a key, allowing glucose to enter your cells, where it's used for energy or stored for later use in the liver, muscles, or fat cells. This process helps lower blood sugar levels to keep them within a healthy range. Now, if your body doesn't produce enough insulin or doesn't respond properly to it, glucose can't enter your cells efficiently. As a result, it builds up in your bloodstream, leading to high blood sugar levels. This is what happens in conditions like type 1 and type 2 diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, the body's immune system mistakenly attacks the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas, resulting in little to no insulin production. Without insulin, blood sugar levels remain high, and the body can't properly use glucose for energy. In type 2 diabetes, the body either doesn't produce enough insulin or becomes resistant to it. This means that while the pancreas might still be producing insulin, the body's cells don't respond to it effectively, leading to higher blood sugar levels over time. Maintaining a healthy insulin balance is crucial because chronically high blood sugar levels can lead to serious health issues like heart disease, nerve damage, and kidney problems. Thyroid hormones are produced by the thyroid gland, a butterfly-shaped gland located in the front of your neck. These hormones, mainly T3, triiodothyronine, and T4, thyroxine, play a crucial role in regulating your metabolism, which is how your body uses energy. Essentially, thyroid hormones influence nearly every cell and organ in your body, affecting your heart rate, body temperature, and how quickly you burn calories. When your thyroid produces the right amount of hormones, your metabolism runs smoothly. But if too much or too little thyroid hormone is released, it can lead to health problems. For example, hyperthyroidism occurs when the thyroid gland is overactive, producing too much T3 and T4. This speeds up your metabolism, leading to symptoms like rapid heartbeat, weight loss, nervousness, and feeling too hot. On the other hand, hypothyroidism occurs when the thyroid gland is underactive and produces too little thyroid hormone. This slows down your metabolism, causing symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, feeling cold, dry skin, and depression. The thyroid is controlled by the pituitary gland, which releases thyroid-stimulating hormone TSH to regulate how much T3 and T4 the thyroid produces. When T3 and T4 levels are low, the pituitary gland sends more TSH to the thyroid to stimulate hormone production. When levels are high, the pituitary reduces TSH to slow down production. Maintaining proper thyroid hormone levels is essential for your overall health. Imbalances can affect your weight, energy levels, mood, and even your heart health. If you experience symptoms like extreme fatigue, unexplained weight changes, or mood swings, it may be worth checking your thyroid function. Sex hormones. Estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone play a key role in regulating many processes in your body, beyond just reproductive health. These hormones are produced by the ovaries in women, the testes in men, and in smaller amounts by the adrenal glands in both sexes. Let's break them down. Estrogen is the primary female sex hormone, though men have it in smaller amounts too. In women, estrogen is crucial for regulating the menstrual cycle, maintaining pregnancy, and supporting bone health. It also affects mood, skin health, and heart function. When estrogen levels are too high or too low, it can lead to problems like irregular periods, hot flashes, and an increased risk of osteoporosis. Progesterone is another important hormone for women, particularly during the menstrual cycle and pregnancy. It prepares the uterus for a fertilized egg, supports early pregnancy, and helps regulate menstruation. Low progesterone levels can lead to irregular cycles or fertility issues. It also works alongside estrogen to balance mood and prevent symptoms like anxiety or depression. Testosterone, though known as the primary male sex hormone, is present in both men and women. In men, testosterone is responsible for sperm production, muscle mass, bone density, and maintaining libido. In women, it also supports muscle strength, energy, and sex drive, though in smaller amounts. When testosterone levels are too low in men, it can lead to fatigue, reduced muscle mass, and low sex drive. In women, imbalances can contribute to conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, which can cause excess body hair, acne, and irregular periods. Maintaining a balance of these hormones is essential for overall well-being. Imbalances, whether caused by aging, medical conditions, or lifestyle factors, can affect mood, energy, weight, and reproductive health. You've met the major hormones. Now it's time to take control. In the next episode, we'll uncover the root causes behind these imbalances and share the lifestyle changes and natural remedies to bring your hormones back into balance.